Hello all. In this chapter we're going to talk about creating a storage account. So what we're going to do is, if you go to the search bar and type storage account. So if you go type storage account, click on add. So to create a storage account, you must remember we have to have a resource group. So I think I have already one existing. I will call it RSG. One more thing to remember is the storage account has to be unique, because a lot of the people use the storage account, so it has to be unique. So we just use the word unique. I don't know if someone has that. Okay, say unique 1, 2. Oh, this one someone has. Okay, I say unique 1, 2, 3. You choose the location based on where you are, and then we have the performance. If you can read the performance, that the storage accounts are backed up by magnetic drives and provide the lowest cost per GB. They are best for applications that require bulk storage. I think this is talking about the standard one, to keep the bulk storage, and the premium one use the SSD, I believe. So let's go to just normal standard. The account kind is storage v2, storage general purpose 1, and the blob storage. General storage v2 is the mostly used one, because this is where Microsoft makes all the changes. Storage general purpose 1 is the older version where they don't make any more changes, so it's better to select general purpose v2. And the blob storage is the the legacy one, the one they had it before. So if you want to use it for some general purposes, for now I'll select general purpose. If you go to my YouTube video, and you'll see the storage account introduction, you will see I went through all of this replication techniques where we talked about local redundant storage, zone redundant, geo. I talked about how if one data center goes down, how we can get that in another same physical server, or availability zone, or geo zone redundant, or next region. If you go through with that induction, you will know what that means. For now, for the lowest cost, we can just select locally redundant storage. This will create the data 3 times synchronously, so if one goes down, you'll have 2 others to pick up. We talked about access tier. We have cool, hot, and archive. You won't see archive here because you can't make that in account level. You'll make it to the blob level, and it's a very rarely used one. And hot I mentioned is most frequent one to use, and cool is infrequently used, but the cost is quite high to get it. So now let's go to the networking. Everything is just the same. Next, go to the data protection. Everything is same, because we talking about that storage account. Here, I think for now, least blob public access when you're doing and learning some of the stuff for now. And go to next tags and go to review and create. This will take probably a minute and 2 to create, so you will see this is how we can create a storage account. So it will be, I have to press create to create one, and else this will take a couple of minutes and it will be ready. So the configuration has completed. If you go to resources, well, if I simply go back and go to my storage accounts, you will then be able to see unique 1, 2, 3. So here we are. So here our storage account is created, and see, and then we will talk about more about the types of storage accounts. But in this video, the main purpose was to show you how we can create storage account. Thank you.